best I can. But like I said, you saw on the dock up near the detective. Now, I don't know what you're trying to get to, but I think you're blowing a lot of smoke.
I hope I'm the one that's blowing smoke. Some loose ends here, Doc. Nothing's adding up. I'm getting a lot of pressure from water. There's also a lot of money. Insurance policy. Earmarked for that young lady. I'm gonna have to find out what's going on with that. Eventually be the caretaker of those funds.
Well, I think you know I'm going to be the caretaker of those funds, okay? But it's going to go in a good cause.
I'm close with that.
That's confidential, Detective Meldon, and I can't give you that advice.
Well, I'll certainly be in touch, Doc.
Okay?
You're not planning on leaving the area, are you?
No, not at all. Detective Meldon,
Yeah, Doc.
my wife plays bridge on Thursday night. I got nothing to do. I got 2 tickets to the theater. Would you like to go?
I may take you up on that, Doc.
Sounds good.
You had a little tough there for a while. Are you doing okay now? You must be a tough girl. God bless you. What else is going on? Are you happy with everything at this point? Anything I can do for you?
Well, I have something for you.
Oh, really?
This is what's gonna happen to you.
To me? Did you draw this?
Yep.
Yes, Detective Meldon.
I just got this note. Kaylin. Now, the last time I recall seeing a note from that young lady, it depicted